What's up, Bulls? I'm Annette, and this is News in 90. The long-awaited week has officially arrived, USF Week. What is USF Week? It was established back in 2010 when Tampa Mayor Pam Lorio declared April 9th to be USF Day. Over time, it grew from a one-day celebration to a week-long celebration. It's about embracing the past, enjoying the present, and working towards a better future. Let's take a closer look with Hannah Yechivi.
There are a number of events that happen throughout the week to celebrate USF Pride, the university's rich history and its community. Monday, we kicked it off to a great start. Students enjoyed food, dancing, and taking pictures. Tuesday, USF held a university lecture series featuring the Tony Award-winning Leslie Odom Jr. from the Broadway musical Hamilton. Wednesday, Bull Market began the day, and the Ultimate Bull Show ended the night, an event filled with talent and fun. Finish off the celebration strong by checking out the last few major events of the week, like Rocky's Birthday Bash and Bullstock. I'm Hannah Yechivi with News in 90.
Don't forget what USF Week is all about.
USF Week means to us a community coming together to remember the past and build on our future,
and to celebrate USF Pride.
Today, tomorrow,
Forever.
Bulls!
Enjoy the rest of the week. I'm Annette Gutierrez with Housing and Residential Education. We're the best place to live, best place to work, and the best place to learn. I'll see you next time.